The topic of Group 1 is all about workstation facilities design and the hospitality industry. The general division of a facility for the hospitality and tourism is divided as front of the house, which is FOH, and back of the house, which is BOH. FOH, or front of the house, is where most of the interaction occurs. These are areas that clients would have great exposure to while they stay in the facility, such as lobby, guest room corridor, fitness center, spa, swimming pool, restaurant, bar, and parking lot. While BOH, or back of the house, are spaces that cater to all the behind the scene activities. It is usually well designed to be hidden from guests' view. It consists of an administration facilities such as employee facilities, engineering and maintenance facilities, laundry, housekeeping, kitchen, and lastly, IT infrastructure. So next topic is all about the importance of ergonomics in the workplace. Number 1, promotes a culture of safety. A healthy and safety-conscious workforce is a valued asset to any company. So which means actively encouraging and implementing practices within the workplace that prioritize employee physical well-being by ensuring workstations, tools, and tasks are designed to minimize musculoskeletal strain and potential injuries through education, proper equipment, and the focus on ergonomic principle. So ultimately creating a mindset where employees value and actively practice safe working posture and movements. Number 2 is improves workforce productivity. A well-designed workspace allows good posture and lessens movement and unnecessary effort. It is to create a comfortable working environment that reduces physical strain and discomfort, allowing employees to work more efficiently and for longer periods without fatigue, resulting in higher output and better overall performance. Number 3, reduces unnecessary expenses. The cost of treatment and hospitalization in an unsafe workplace can be reduced or totally obliterated through ergonomics. So this primarily refers to the cost savings achieved by preventing work-related musculoskeletal disorders or MSDs through proper workstation design and practices.
Good day everyone, I'm here to present two topics, namely facilities planning and the 4 factors in determining layout and design. So the first one is facilities planning. It is the process of designing the layout and location to provide a congruence on activities of people, equipment, and furniture to achieve a desired goal. So this is the process that we can do to achieve our desired goal. So next is the 4 factors in determining layout and design. So the first one is versatility of space for expansion or change. Whether the space needs to expand or minimize is an inevitable process in the hospitality industry brought about by trends, technology, and economics. So kani, for example, ikaw is hotel owner ka, dayon nagplano ka og like mag-add ka og conference room sa imong hotel or event hall. So need nimo og dako nga space so that ma-achieve na nimo nga goal. So the second one is ease of movement. This is an achieved through proper allocation of space. This would limit the incident of delays and accident. So for example, sa Osaka restaurant is na ay kitchen and dining area. So kinahanglan og pagkahanay og butang ang mga equipment para dili ma-accident ang mga staff and then dali sila makaserve sa customers. So the third one is safety. This is accomplished by the harmonious combination of correct planning and choice of materials to use. So for example, sa Osaka Resort is need og stable and dili slippery ilahang hagdan para dili ma-injured ang mga guests. Lastly is the accommodation. Is the furniture, equipment, and fixtures used are ergonomically designed. So for example, sa Osaka hotel room is naaman ginay Osaka bed and chair and table. So dapat is iyang measurement is correct para ang guest is comfortable mo stay sa inyong hotel.
So, there are four major parts of hospitality and industry. The first one is the accommodation and lodging, the second one is the food and beverage, the third one is the travel and tourism, and the fourth one is the recreation and entertainment. So, the accommodation and lodging is the most important part of it is the customer satisfaction. This means that they have to make sure that the customer are happy, comfortable, and receive good service. And a good place to stay should have like soft bed, clean rooms, working air conditioner, and the useful amenities like Wi-Fi and hot showers. So, food and beverage is the largest sector in hospitality. Ang food kay pwede siya i-serve in different types of place. Na ang restaurant, we can stand alone like fast food and fine dining. For example, if moadto tag mall, we can find many restaurants and cafes inside. In hotel, naa siya usually nga restaurant where the guests can eat. So, food and beverage business is important kay they provide food and drinks to the people. Travel and tourism is all about helping people move from one place to another. This includes different types of transportation such as buses, taxis, airplanes, ships, and trains. So, for example, if ikaw moadto ka og kanang Canada, airplane mo sakyan. If moadto ra ka og moalbual, then pwede ra ka magbus, magtaxi, nana. So, the last sector is the entertainment and recreation. This sector is about fun, relaxation, and enjoyment. The main goal is to help people refresh their mind and body.
Good day, everyone. Today, I will talk about two important topics: the classification of workstations and the principles of a good commercial kitchen design. These concepts help ensure efficiency, safety, and productivity in workplaces. General classification of workstations. A workstation is a designated area where specific tasks are performed. One common type is the concierge and office area. So first we have concierge and office area. This area is where guests and clients go for information and assistance. A good example is the reception desk in a hotel. When you enter a hotel, the receptionist welcomes you, checks your booking, and answers your questions. To ensure efficiency in office workstations, here are some key ergonomic guidelines. The table height. So, the table should be positioned below elbow height when sitting or standing to ensure comfort and proper posture. So I have an example. So an example is a cashier's counter in a grocery store is at a comfortable height so the cashier can work without straining their arms. Next is the keyboard placement. The keyboard should be within easy reach and its width should not be wider than the shoulders to prevent strain. So example, in an internet cafe, the keyboards are placed close enough for users to type comfortably. We have monetary positioning. Monitors should be at eye level and about an arm's length away to minimize glare and strain. Example. In an office, employees adjust their computer screens to avoid neck pain. Set seating. Specific task chairs should be used to provide proper back support, ensuring comfort during long hours of work. So I have an example. A call center agents use ergonomic chairs to support their backs during long shifts. Lastly is the standing posture. So when standing, a weight should be evenly distributed and the keyboard and monitor should be at the right level. So an example is in a bakery, cashiers and bakers stand for long hours so their counters are at the right height to reduce fatigue. Now, let's move on to the principles of a good commercial kitchen design. A kitchen is the designated area for cooking, and in hotels, it needs to be efficient and safe. Here are the 6 principles of a good commercial kitchen design. First, we have flexibility and modularity. A hotel kitchen should be adaptable to the changing needs of the menu and events. So, example, the kitchen in hotel's banquet hall is designed with movable cooking stations so that chefs can easily adjust for different events like weddings or conferences. Next is simplicity. A simple kitchen layout maximizes space and efficiency for quick service. Example, the breakfast buffet kitchen in a hotel is designed with a straightforward layout so chefs can quickly prepare and restock food for guests. Next, movement of materials and personnel. A well-designed hotel kitchen allows smooth movement of chefs and staff to avoid delays. Example, in a five-star hotel's fine dining restaurant, the kitchen has clear pathways to ensure that waiters and chefs don't bump into each other while serving guests. Next, we have maintenance and sanitation. Cleaning should be done simultaneously with food preparation and cooking. So I have example, in a luxury hotel, there are separate areas in the kitchen for raw food, cooked food, and dishwashing to maintain hygiene. Next one is the expedient monitoring. The kitchen layout should allow easy monitoring by supervisors to maintain quality. Alright, example. Example will be the executive chef in hotel's main restaurant can oversee all stations from central spot, ensuring food quality and timely service. Lastly, we have the space efficiency and effectiveness. The kitchen's location and size should be well planned and maximize efficiency. So, example, the poolside bar in a resort hotel has a compact but efficient kitchen near the pool area, allowing quick service for guests. In summary, a well-designed workstation should be comfortable and efficient, while a good commercial kitchen should be flexible, simple, and well organized. These principles have improved productivity and service, especially in a hotel setting. Thank you.
Storage. Storage is divided into three: non-food storage, cold storage, and dry storage. First, non-food storage is dedicated to items that are not directly to food but are essential for operation. For example, ano niya is fork, spoon, and plates. Dito na siya ibutang sa non-food storage. Second is cold storage. Cold storage is used for perishable food items that require refrigeration or freezing. Example po niya is like sa mga meat or mga other food na need siya refrigeration, dito ni siya ibutang sa cold storage. And third is dry storage. Dry storage is for non-perishable food items that do not require refrigeration. Kanini mga food nga dili na need og refrigeration. Adto na siya sa dry storage. Proper segregation of storage area is maka-enhance sa food safety, reduces waste, and improve operational efficiency, and also keeping non-food storage separate from food storage can makaprevent og contamination, while organizing cold and dry storage effectively ensure kanang food quality and freshness. And last is cleaning and washing. A well-organized cleaning and washing area is ensure hygiene, efficiency, and smooth kitchen operation. And also, proper drying and storage help maintain cleanliness and prevent of contamination.
A food preparation area is a designated space where ingredients are prepared for cooking or serving. The area is typically includes surfaces such as countertops, cutting boards, sinks, and storage spaces for tools and ingredients. In both home kitchen and commercial kitchens, it is important that food prep area remains clean, organized, and efficient to ensure food safety and smooth workflow. Meal cooking area, where cooking activities take place, includes stove, oven, microwave, and ventilation systems.
In the hospitality workstation design, the bar clearance refers to the space between the bar counter and seating the guest's comfort. And the workpiece behind the bar for staff efficiency, standard clearance include 10 to 12 inches between the bar staff and stool and 3 to 5 feet behind the bar for movement. And workstation facilities designed for the hospitality industry, laundry refers to the process of washing, drying, and maintaining linens, towel, and uniforms, while sorting involves separating items based on the color, fabric type, and level for soiling to ensure proper cleaning and efficiency.
In the hospitality industry, washing, drying, and folding linen is an essential part of maintaining cleanliness and efficiency. Washing ensures that linens like sheets and towel are properly cleaned using detergent and water. Drying removes moisture so they are ready for use without any dampness or odor. Folding keeps lining neat, organized, and easy to store or distribute to different areas of the hotel.